to level 6. And level 2, I want you to insert the desk and then I think the chair in the same position as what I sent to you, right? I think I sent a plan with all the desks, right? So just work smart, okay? How you do it. Remember, we have okay, I'll just give you a hint. How you do it. There are some command like mirror, array, right? Sorry, I need to report to my boss first. Apology. For a while, I need to report the attendance. Okay, then okay, I proceed with the discussion. So, guys, open your Revit, ha. So, after that, once you created the level 2 with all the inserted family, okay? Again, guys, I already sent it through WhatsApp, right? So, you just have to insert it, okay? Once you inserted it, yeah, that one. This is level 2, correct. So, just follow that one. After that, I want you to create the color scheme similar to that one. Okay, and then you after that you have to place it in a sheet. Okay, remember I teach you how to create the sheets, right? So basically, okay, after that, before that, you have to create also two sections. It's up to you, but I want you to create the long section. What is long section? The long section is the ones is actually the longitudinal one, the long one. What is the cross section? The cross section is the one crossing vertically. Okay, so actually the cross section is the shorter version. Okay, and then usually what we do for the long section, we always actually cutting it with the stairs. Okay, see, if you can see on the level 2, we cut it on the stairs, right? So just follow that one. And then the other cross section, you can actually just cut it on the I'll give you the option, but I think it's better to cut it, the one on the left side, this one, I will highlight. I think this one is much better. So I'll only ask you to cut two sections, okay? So, but let me highlight the two sections that you will create. Okay, I'm sorry. All right, I send it through WhatsApp. So you only create two sections, one longitudinal section and the other one is cross sections. Okay, and then another thing, I want you to create the four elevations. Okay, I think it's already existing on your Revit. You just have to uh, create the view. Okay, just click the elevation. And then afterwards, I want you to place it on a view template. Remember, we studied view template yesterday. Okay, work smart, guys. Uh, and then last, another thing, remember I teach you how to create the schedule for door. Can everyone actually remember how to create the schedule? Okay, so then yeah, then I will teach you again. Okay, I will come back to that later on. And then I want you to create the schedule and drag it to the sheet. It's the similar way how you drag the view. Okay. So basically, if you create the schedule, once you create the schedule, you can actually drag it to the sheets. All right. And then afterwards, please try to create the 3D views. Okay? I think that one is also easy. 3D views, it's already given. So, and then I'll give you bonus point if you can actually create a camera view inside your outside your model. All right? And also if you can actually create the facade, the frontage that I actually sent also yesterday. Remember, I will highlight again. Let me check. I'll encircle, yeah. Wait, I cannot encircle this one. Okay. This one. All right. Okay, I'll give you a clue. It's actually you just have to go to the front view or the front elevation. Okay, then you can actually just create a model in place, and then you can use the extrude. Uh, of course, you have to find the reference plane. So what is the reference plane? The reference plane should be where your surface will be attached or will be touched. So after that reference plane, you can actually use the extrusion. Okay, it's up to you what the thickness, but please try to make it realistic. All right, this one is a bonus point. Okay, and then another bonus point is actually if you can put some finishes, much better. And then again, I will retweet if you can actually create a camera view, which we discussed yesterday. Okay. And then everything you have to place in sheets and then combine in PDF and send in one file. All right. Are we all good? So basically, this exam is actually this whole day. But I want you to finish it by 5:30. Ken? Okay. Yes, only for level 2. Okay. Okay, yes, correct. So the bonuses are the following. The extrusion, remember, I asked you to if you have if you think you have extra time, then you can actually create the 3D model for the extrusion in the facade. And then if you can create the camera view, remember yesterday I teach you how to create the camera view outside or inside your model. And then another one is if you can give some finishes on your facade. That's all. You don't have to give finishes for all. I mean, I think you can give some finishes for because I think the basic wall already have some finishes. So maybe just put the finishes if you already finish the facade. Okay? Are we all good? Yeah, don't worry. I will actually write down also. Yeah, create level 1 to level 6. Create level 2 with two section cross and longitudinal given on the level 2 just follow the level 2 that I sent to you and insert families, two families that I sent also and create color scheme. with room number, right? Then create 4 elevations. And then create this one I will teach you before you start the class. Schedule and drag to sheets. And then place all plans, elevations, sections to view template. So you have to create view template. And then place all views of plans 1 to 6, 2 sections, 4 elevations, you can actually just drag the drag the schedule to the sheet. So and you can actually combine it in one of the plans. So sheet to schedule, and then what else? 3D views to sheets. Then print to combine PDF. Okay? So I send it through the group. Okay? I also sent to WhatsApp. Okay, guys. I'm not expecting you to be perfect, guys. Okay. Yes. Okay. For level, yes. Make all the levels the same. It's it's fine with me, Hadi. Make all levels the same. Yeah, just a roof. Correct. Correct. It's just a roof. So how to work smart? Okay. Copy and paste. It's up to you how you do it. Okay. Yes, correct. Yes, only level 2 have furniture. Level 2, the only difference with level 2 is actually you have the furniture. That's all. And also, I asked you to create the color scheme, right? For level 1, okay, can everyone open the Revit? I will open my Revit now. We will review the how to create door schedule. Yes, no furniture for level 1, only level 2. Only level 2, guys. Okay? Wait for a while, I'll open my Revit. Guys, open your Revit. I will teach you again how to create the door schedule. You already created your level 1 yesterday, right? Just to work smart, know how to work smart. And then I think you have plenty of time to create the documents, the sheets. That one also easy. And then the I think the difficult part I think is the extrusions of the facade, but that one is only bonus points. But I encourage you to do that one because it's also for your own good so that you know how to to work on it. Which one, Jolene? You mean the curve one, is it? You have, sorry, Iqbal, you have to redo those items, those error, you cannot actually tell it to the client. Sorry, I accidentally closed my file. They don't care. They want the product, okay? They want the output, Iqbal. I'm sorry about that. So maybe you can look for the I think you have, remember I teach you guys how to save maximum 3 backup, right? So you have to open the backup, the dot back, and then just remove that the BAK, okay, and then change it to RBT. You can ask your colleague, Jolene. Okay, so later on also, I have a meeting with the admin and also the management. So let me check what time is the meeting. So I won't be available. Okay, starting 3:30. So 5:30 I'll come back. So by that time, please try to submit 5:30. Okay. Columns. Where can you find the column? Column is actually on the architecture side, right? And so the revolving doors. Can someone please share the family of revolving doors? If someone have the family for revolving doors, can you please share it with Jolene? Okay, you don't have to create the family for revolving doors. Okay, just insert it. Okay, guys. So I will share my. No, you have to go to the plan. You need to have a slab. Jolene, you have to check also the property of your architectural column. Okay, the column, it doesn't have to be exactly that way, but just provide the column that was provided from Revit. Okay, make sure that the properties of your column is actually coming from level 1 to level 2. So please make sure the base level and then the top level are actually correct. Okay, so Jing actually downloaded the column. Okay, guys, try to help each other, okay? Anyway, so can I proceed now with schedule before you discuss? So anyone, is it only a schedule or do you want me to, okay, discuss, Oh, see, I think Jing just sent the column, so you can use that one. All right? Unfortunately, guys, in Revit, some of the family are not working. Some have errors, so be aware of that. Okay? Okay, can I proceed now? Or no, it's okay. Actually, this one, for this exam, see, I give you like, actually, I'll be honest, this kind of, I actually I ask a lot of things, right? Usually, this, it may take about like, in actual practice, it may take about, maybe 2 days or 8 hours per day. But of course, that one also given that you discuss it with your other team members, right? In actual practice, you have, before you can actually do the model or you do the design, you have to have collaborations and discussions with other members of the team. Okay, so basically this one, just want to see if you understand the concepts. Basically, if you understand what we have learned from the day one until today. Okay, but please, actually, for me, the only difficult part is actually because I know you're lacking of time to practice. That's all. So you're still trying to grab the commands. But actually, if you know already, if you know all the commands, it will take you like only half a day. That's possible, or maybe about 4 or 5 hours, right? No, of course you cannot. This one you can only help. Like for example, you need to insert you need some family like column, right? You can discuss that one. But basically, yeah, you have your own laptop. You have your own PC, so you're actually doing it separately. So if you don't know the command, you cannot actually do it. So it's fine. You can actually share some knowledge. Okay? Yes. Yes. Jing, thank you. I don't need to put it. Okay, exam 2 underscore name. Anyway, guys, I will open my Revit and I'll teach you how to create the schedule again, okay? I'll share now. So guys, this is the door actually I just created here, right? So I just want you to create the door schedule and then put the mark and the width, okay? For example, can everyone see my Revit now? If yes, then I'll continue. Then guys, go to the sheet. No, sorry, not sheet. Go to the schedule. Okay. Then right click. Okay. Okay. I'll highlight. You go to the new schedule quantities. How to snip? Wait, let me check. Let me snip this one. Cannot snip. Wait. Can everyone follow schedule? Then right click new schedule quantities. So you should be on this uh view. Wait. Schedule, and you should be seeing this. All right. Are we all good? So everyone's on the same view. So after that, you look for the door schedule or the doors. Okay, then you just create the name. For example, for me, because I created already, so I'll just name it door schedule 2. All right, then from here, okay, I'll come back. So yeah, new schedule. Okay, then once you see this new schedule, you have to go to door. You can actually search for it. Okay, type door, and then you will see the doors. And then you have to name it because I already have mine, so I will name it door schedule 2. Hopefully everyone can see this one. I'll send. Are we all good? Can follow. Yes, correct, Hadi. Thank you, Hadi. Okay, then after one, once you select door schedule, just okay. And then select which ones you want to include on the schedule fields. Okay, I will snip again. All right. So how to include? Just click the one with the grid, this one, the add parameters. Okay, this one I will highlight again. Okay. Okay, then once you add the parameter, which ones you need to add? Okay, of course, the mark, remember? Yes, I think last week we discussed this one, right? I want you to add the mark for the doors. So just add. And also, I think height can also. Okay. And I think better you add the width. I think those three is enough. But you can explore la. Okay. Add the width. Then press OK. Then see, you already have the door, right? Everyone can see this one. But guys, if you don't have the mark of your Dora, the tagging of your Dora, you cannot actually see this one. So please try to tag the door as well. Okay, I sent to WhatsApp, right? Okay, once you have that, you go to the sheets. For example, you already have the plan. Okay, yeah. Okay, for I think for the sheets for this one, I wanted to just to place it on level 1. So for example, I create a new sheet sa title block A1, and then my level 1, I want to drag here. Okay, but it's already on the other plan, so I will remove that one. Let me check. I think this one. All right, so I'll go to the new plan or to the new sheets that I created, and then I just drag the schedule that I just created as well. See, you can actually drag. And then I want you to put the level 1 beside that one. Okay, similar to this one. All right, or maybe a little bit in the center. Just try to make it clean. Okay, so level 1, please try to place the door schedule there. See, I'll snip. By the way, guys, this is on the scale, I think, let me check. See, I just dragged the schedule. It's already on my sheets. And this is actually in scale 1:100. So please use 1:100 as well. Okay, so that we have is one standard. So you can actually create a view template on 1:100 scale. All right? Are we all good? Yes. Just drag, just the same way as you drag the view, Jing. Drag to the sheets. Just select the schedule on the project, on the project browser, and just drag to the sheets. So anyone having some difficulties before you proceed with the exam? Are we all good? Or do you want to share your monitor? 10 a.m. we will start the exam. Or if you want to start earlier, let me know. We can start 9:50. Different from what I saw. Oh, because you actually put thickness. You only have one because I think you didn't put the mark, right? And also you put the count, door description, type, with height. Yes, correct, Jing. Correct. That's how you do it. See? Yeah, but please put it on level 1. The door schedule, please place it on level 1 sheets. Hadi, can you share? I think your door schedule is actually already existing, but I don't want you to use that one. Please create a new one. Because that one is quite complicated. It's up to you lah. I mean, for me, I only require you to do those schedule fields. Okay, Hadi? Okay, Hadi. But actually, Jing already created, so I think everyone can actually create themselves. So any questions, guys, before we proceed? Are we all good? Or anyone want to share the monitor?
Okay.
Okay, Haikal, I discussed it a while ago. Just place the mark, the width, and the height. That's all. I think also Jing send the example. He already created it. So just put the mark, height, and the width. That's all. I just want to see that you understand the concept for the schedule. All good? Or anyone? Before we proceed. All
Sorry,
good, ah? Oh, guys, start the exam, please. And please try to collaborate, guys. It's fine with me, okay? Anyway, all of you have separate PC. As long as you can actually do the command, it's fine with me. Yes, please. Yeah, because I still need time to check all of those items. All right. If you can actually submit some, much better so that I can see. But yeah, of course, I ask you to combine everything into one. Yeah. Yeah, Julien, because this one, it only needs, okay, of course, you all have the separate PC, right? But guys, don't actually share the commands, okay? Only share the which one is necessary. For example, the column, okay? So we share the column, right? But it's up to Jolene if how she can actually set it on the Revit file, okay? Those those I think common sense thing, ah. Remember, as long as you can actually follow the command, that's fine with me. As long as you can create the model. Are we all good, guys? If yes, then please proceed. Guys, it's fine with me. If you think you have some questions about like what else? Okay, it's also fine with me. For the extrusion, if you want to ask your colleagues how to extrude, it's also okay with me. Anyway, you will do it on your own PC. Okay? What else? Just try to collaborate. It's fine. In a working environment, you also ask questions as long as you can produce. Okay? So guys, please start the exam now, 9:50, then finish by 5:30 because I need time to check it. And also I have a meeting here starting 3 o'clock until 5:30 as well. Okay, see you guys. I'll just be here. Okay. Okay, no questions. All right, see you.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you
you.